Boom, welcome back to Diaspora Gardens Estate. Diaspora Gardens Estate is seated right here in Centenary City, Enugu. This is a contemporary, lush and elegant estate. You need to see the plan for this estate. It's beautiful. It's a residential estate, right here in Enugu, Centenary. Now, why should you buy Diaspora Estate? You can see how buildings are coming up. I did a video of this estate a few months ago and it wasn't as beautiful as this. You can see that a lot of people have rushed this estate and they are building rapidly. Right here in this estate, there's electricity, there's street lights, there's water. Yes, there's water. There's going to be a Diaspora clubhouse and a shopping complex. There's a green area and a play park. Security services here is top notch. Diaspora Estate Management is going to provide facility management and maintenance services. There's going to be a waste disposal facility right here in Diaspora. This is over 10 hectares of land and it's just about 15 minutes drive from Akanu Ibiam International Airport, 5 minutes from the Harcourt Expressway, and less than 15 minutes from Independence Layout. City town like Enugu Urban is just very close to town, so you have quick access to almost anywhere within Enugu. A few months ago, this place was selling for just 15 million naira. Currently, Diaspora Estate is going for 20 million. Yes, they say you don't wait to buy land, you buy land and wait. And you can see how buildings are coming up here rapidly. I particularly like the nature of the buildings right here in this estate. Most people prefer to build duplexes right here or triplexes, as you can see, and they are coming up really fast and really fine. All right, if you watch the video I made about this estate a few months ago and then watch these videos right now, you can see the difference. Now, Diaspora Estate comes with a CFO. All the lands are parcellated, so it's a buy and build. So once you make your payment, you can start building immediately. A couple of my clients have bought from here, and of course they are loving the fact that they bought here, because just a few months ago it was 15 million, now it's 20 million naira. Yes, call me if you really want to have a piece of this pie. Call me now on 0809 6737 666. We're going to schedule a free inspection for you right here in Diaspora, and you can come take a look, drive you around through the estate. You get to see all these things I stated about this estate and how this is one of the best options you have to build a residential house right here in Enugu State, Nigeria. Now, Diaspora Estate is a collaboration between Nigerians in Diaspora and Enugu State government. No, it's not a government estate, but yes, it has the backing of the government so that you get safe, you get to buy from a safe place. Okay, and it's an estate, so it's a gated community, fenced round and one entrance. So before someone comes into the estate, of course, they have to let the security know who they are going to look for and where they are going to. So you see, this is just the best place to buy, a piece of land and build your house right here in Enugu. Is Diaspora meant for only people living in Diaspora? No. This estate is accessible to anybody. So long as you have your 20 million naira and you're a responsible person, of course you can come buy a property here and build your beautiful house for yourself and your family in a safe and secure environment. Okay, so go ahead and call the number on your screen right now on 0809 6737 668 and let us discuss Diaspora Estate. I await your call. Enjoy a fantastic day, month, and the rest of 2021. Bye for now.